ко мне лезть. Не надо. Ах ты.
Oh my god!
Stop. Shut up.
The poor cat was halfway to heaven.
Nella. Girl, stop. Jesus Christ.
He just flung cat litter out of the box. He's probably gonna do it again. Oh my god.
El cielo se cae, hijo chicken little. El gato.
This chunky monster of a boy. He's not overeating. I know that. Look at
Why are you doing this?
I can't find my screwdrivers anywhere. Like, where did they go?
Oh.